decent. How you keep it so fresh, and how you keep it look like you're vegan. Wish I was like that fresh. Hard times, flat line, stay in my lane, you see. Boxed in, but I boxed out. Niggas don't wanna box with me. Don't bend the codes, don't break the rules. Just stay true to this shit. Stay rope-a-doping with the top open and a cool nut from the city of Oakland.